Centong. Good man, Centong.
Hi guys, how's it going? Minggu kemarin saya di Bali dan di sana saya makan banyak seafood. Makanan Bali salah satunya tuna steak paket sambal matah. Bahan-bahan untuk pembens tuna steak paket sambal matah. Tuna steak, daun serai, jeruk, daun jeruk, cabe dan bawang merah, olive oil juga, gula, garam dan terahir lada putih atau lada hitam. Untuk sambalnya, potong semua bahan-bahan kecil aja. Campurkan ini dan diambil airnya dari ini jeruk. Okay guys, ya kita ingin mau ini biji, okay? Angkat ini. Sekarang mau tambahkan 1 pinch gula sama 1 pinch garam juga. Dan untuk pembens sambal matah, mau pakai sedikit lada hitam juga, 1 pinch, jangan banyak, dan campurkan lagi. Sekarang mau bikin tuna steaknya. Saya punya tuna steaknya yang segar, dan buat ini mau tambahkan sedikit garam dan lada hitam di 2 sisi. Untuk tuna steaknya mau pakai api besar, karena saya mau warnanya tuna steak kecoklatan. Tambahkan sedikit olive oil di penggorengan. Menurut saya pakai ini karena lebih enak daripada minyak goreng. Tunggu 1 menit, mau ini panas. It's really hot. Stop it. Yeah. Introducing the man, Centong. Here he is, the man himself, Centong. That's Centong. Tuna steaknya hampir matang, jadi saya mau pakai ini, mentega. Setiap kali mau masak daging, mau mentega. Anak. Terus untuk pembens tuna steak, mau gunakan sedikit jeruk nipis juga. Centong. Good man, Centong. Okay. Ini sudah selesai. Terakhir, tambahkan 2 sendok makan olive oil di sini di panci. Aduk lagi. Tambahkan di atas di steaknya.
Aside from my soul.
Mau cobain. Here we go. Bit of the old tuna steak. Like I said at the beginning, I went to Bali and I tried this and it was so delicious. Okay, so I wanted to come back and make it for you guys. Oh my god. Sambal. It is extremely spicy. It's not a little bit spicy. It's extremely spicy, kind of taste which goes brilliantly with seafood. You add the butter and the olive oil and you're cooking a steak, you're always going to get a great dish, okay? Butter with meat, any meat goes fantastic. This is really, really good. I love tuna, but I don't eat it every day because it's being overfished. Not much tuna left in the ocean now. Oh yeah, lovely. Get that sambal on there too. See how juicy the steak is. It's why it's so popular. To me, it's the king of fish. It is so good. It's the meatiest type of seafood, without a doubt. It's the closest to a beef steak, really. If you would like me to cook anything else, comment below. Also, as well, if you need any advice with your cooking, feel free. I really like replying to those types of messages because it's helping you guys out at home, and that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing these videos for you guys. Fantastic. See you next time. Don't know what I'm going to be cooking. Probably a dessert. I know you love desserts. It's like seems to be your favourite thing. So, dessert maybe next time. And I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye. Say goodbye to our tuna steak. See you later. Bye-bye. Untuk sambalnya, potong semua bawang. That's the best one so far. Right, I've got to stop laughing now. Right. What's the name in Indonesian? In English we say pips. Biji. Biji, like BG. Tapi mau, okay, wait a minute. Dan lada hitam, dan, okay, mau tambahkan sedikit jus untuk panggang. Saya mau tulang ini di atas di sambalnya. Tuang. Okay, tuang.